Polar array. Okay, what if we want to make holes in this cup or this mug? The hole should be the same on, let's say, 4 sides. We only want to make one hole, and then we can use a command called polar array, which is gonna copy the same hole or the same cut on each and every hole. Let's look in our polar array model, and as usual we have to create curves. I pick edges, top, like that, and bottom. We have 2 closed curves. Let's head over to toolpath, and I'll just make this. Remember what I said in the previous videos. If you can, place the lead as far up as possible, like that. Enter, enter. This thing is tool position fixed C, which you will see it sits at the top of the model. We want to have it to follow, like that. And perhaps also we want to change the lead in so that we change the automatic plane, which will select this plane, like that. We could also have used select plane and click on that plane. Enter, enter. Like that. Alright, now to the good stuff. This hole is going to be copied. So head over to CAD, transform polar array. And down at the bottom here we see toolpath. We can select only toolpath. So click on that and click on the toolpath. Hit enter. And now you have to set a axis which we're going to rotate around, and that will be this center axis we have here. How many copies? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the angle to fill is 360 degrees, so all the way around. Click OK. And there we go. We have a polar array. We only made one toolpath and we copied it around an axis. But let's look at our toolpath now, because you will see some change in the toolpath dialog. These 5, the bottom 5 items in the list, are gray, and this top one is blue. That means this first cut is the mother, and the 5 coming cuts are the mother's children. So if I change anything on the mother, the kids or the children will also change. Let's just look at, so this one and that one. Okay, let's look what happens if I change the lead in on this. Let's look what happened on this one. So change it to 2, and there we go. Both change, or all of them change. But maybe you don't want to do that. Maybe you want to change one particular hole. Then you can select that hole or that cut and click on split. And that means the mother is no longer taking care of that child. It moved out. Head over there. Maybe this wants to be 3 millimeters. Like that. So it's fairly simple to use, I believe. And it's really powerful. Catch you in the next one.